do a little intro. All right, guys, I'm here with God himself. So that's he calls himself on the podcast, guys.
Bad Credit.
My boy here, Steve and Angel from the Bad Credit podcast, came to visit me for the weekend. So we're down here at County Lake. I'm gonna try to put him on some channel cats from the kayak before we go real catfishing, you know.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, stay tuned, see what we get. Oh man,
Got me one.
hell yeah, fun on that little pole, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I said, get those little light poles. Hopefully you don't jump in if I get his ass taken care of here. Might have to retie you up. He got you in a fit, man.
That's pretty exciting.
Dude, it's so much fun from the kayak, little pole, like, oh, it just doesn't get any better. Yeah, it fucked you up. I'm gonna have to
Got
retie
me
you up.
one. Got me a fish out here. We out here on this channel. Catching these channel cats.
I'll horse that one because it's small, yeah. Well, we may.
Oh, I got one. I was filming you.
Oh, yeah. Well, man, stick right here, man. No problem. Or you can horse him in. Just fuck him in, yeah, don't.
Got one. Both got one at the same time.
Guys, I got this little ugly stick dock runner. It is bowed over. I thought it would be fun in my kayak, but we don't lose this fish. I think it got me in the freaking weeds too.
Oh no.
You see it? Maybe not. Oh, I put too much pressure on him.
Maybe he'll come back this one.
Yeah, he was at me in that brush pile, I think is what it was. Dude, I'm sad I lost that fish. And I'm not even that sad I lost, I'm just sad I didn't even see it, you know? Like now I'm always forever gonna be wondering, but I think it was just a normal channel cat that got me in that brush.
Wind's blowing us.
The wind is the worst condition to fish in from a kayak. The absolute worst. Snow, rain, heat, all better than wind, you know? But this is not that bad. That's why having one pole is easier than trying to juggle a bunch, you know? I don't even like to bring three usually. Normally when I crappie fish, I fish with two. Or like I'll do this, I'll drop one down and then have like a bass pole for boredom. Dude! I got a big bass. Woo, baby! He gonna be a taco. I just dropped dropped the Stephanie's reel in the water. Crap. Whew. A little chaos, guys. Outdoor idiot bass fishing. That one looked like he survived a battle with a gar. Whew. That's a taco. We looking for dinner tonight, guys. I love bass. We eating tacos. How about that? I'm glad I brought that little bass lure. Yep. Guys, sometimes in life you get a little gift. Today's gift is a bald eagle nestled in that tree. I'm gonna try to ease underneath him, see if I can get it on camera. America. Oh, dude, look at it. It just looked at me and I'm scared. You think if I threw a bluegill out, it would eat it? Fishing with bald eagles. Yeah. The bald eagle, guys.
You can try it.
Freaking cool. Even on a big one, it looks like. Oh, heck yeah. We can get some footage of him. You want me to come over there and get him out of the water, or you can? Let me see if I can. Be careful, because that brush pile's on that side. Let me get my rod up. Oh, yeah. Be careful. Careful horsing that one. I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you. Just leave him right there. Good job, man. Yeah, I think we made a mistake leaving this spot the first time.
That's a big one. That's the biggest one so far, ain't it?
Trade me. Yeah, this one or the first one. Yeah, this 4-pound fluorocarbon, you just can't horse him in like you could with another. Well, he was barely hooked too.
It's hard to see because
Here, I'll trade you.
How do I hold this one, bitch?
Like this. Like this. Oh, you're good. I can just edit it out, but see that?
Oh, yeah.
Don't hit this one, but underneath these two, grab them around them.
Yeah.
Just like that.
I mean, heck, you got him.
Here, grab my. I'll get you a picture of you holding the rod. Me.
Yeah.
Hold him up there. Heck yeah, guys.
That one.
The manliest beard on him too. Of course, the guy with the manliest beard's catching the most
You
catfish.
should get a picture of me going.
Yeah,
Big one, baby. Outdoor idiot, bad credit.
Heck yeah. Guys, Steven over here is the one that really encouraged me to start the YouTube. He's the one that I got the GoPro from. So if you've never heard of him, Steven Angel, Bad Credit Podcast. Go check them out. They're a lot of fun. Anywhere podcasts are available. No, he's there, but I'm on some brush. I think I got him out of the brush. I'm just hand lining this one in, guys. I was on some brush and then there was so much slack I didn't want to. He's pretty big too. Oh yeah, this is a good one if I don't lose him. He was on that brush pile. That must be where I lost that one earlier. This is another one off that same brush pile, but that other one must have had me on that same piece of brush he did.
Is it a cat?
Yeah, it's a nice one. Woo! Outdoor idiot catching dinner.
Nice job.
Well, we know we ain't going hungry tonight, guys. We got a mixed bag. Got us some bluegill for bait. We got a few channel cats for dinner and even a good bass. I love bass. Heck yeah, man. Show us your prize catches.
Got it.
Got it done. We had a good mixed bag trip for a couple hours, guys.
The bass.
Bass, 5 channel cats, a bunch of bluegill for bait tonight.
We're saying hi.
Heck yeah. Guys, we're gonna have a good time. We'll eat these 5 catfish and that bass for dinner with the Indoor Genius tonight. And then we're gonna use these bluegill for catfish bait when we go to Lake Gunnersville later on tonight. So, yeah, we had a good time. Heck yeah. Real quick, guys. And if you like to fish and eat fish, guys, don't be intimidated by cleaning the fish. It does not take long, especially after you've done a few. You're really getting the hang of it. And so don't let cleaning the fish be intimidating as far as the amount of work that happens. This is a very rewarding lifestyle. Perfectly cleaned out catfish, guys. We won't save this one's eggs. I think we got enough. That'll be plenty. I'll talk about fishing those other ones out. So that was all those catfish. We'll do the bass basically the same way, guys. Come right here by that head, break those ribs. He's got a little bigger ribs on this boy. Through him. Go right down that backbone, guys. Perfect piece of fish. 16-inch bass. He would have been legal regardless of where we're at, but we were on County Lake, guys, and you can keep the small ones and only one over 14. So we kept our one big one. Breaking these ribs is hard on these bigger bass. I should have went around them, but it happens. Just a little elbow grease is all it takes. And follow that backbone. Once you get through those ribs, it'll be easy to follow that backbone. There you go. But guys, we got all the fish filleted out. We'll just take the skin off each one, get them in a clean bucket, rinse them off, eat them. Skin and the ribs got to come off now. If you have a glove, this helps. These catfish are slippery. But I don't know too many people that can do them
that fast.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been about 3 minutes and 40 seconds since you even picked the knife up.
Perfect taco sized channel cats, guys. That's what we're gonna do with them. Just go through here, get your little handle, get down to that skin, and go right down that skin. All that skin all the way down, perfectly cleaned out. Take the ribs, just cut right down on those ribs. Bam, perfect piece of catfish. In no time at all. Got the dog out here begging as usual. She likes getting little tasty treats when I'm cooking. Guys, if you're against eating bass, guess what? You're wrong. So, they're the best fish in the lake. I don't even chase them, guys. I just get them at an opportunity. I eat a lot of crappie and catfish, but bass are my favorite. And I know all you bass fishing are probably cussing me for that, but guess what? I don't care. I'm gonna eat these bass and they're gonna be good. Don't be a bass hole, guys. Eat you some bass. Everything's all cleaned out. I don't know what that took, 4 minutes, and then we'll go inside and whip us up some good stuff. Man, he didn't run. He just got tangled in your line. That's how you got him.
Wow, I caught this thing by him biting the line. That thing is huge too.
This is a good eater.
How does that compare to the one you stabbed in your first video?
This one's a little skinnier.
Oh.
A little shorter, a little skinnier, but yeah, this is a long-nosed gar versus a spotted gar, you know. The other one's real spotted gar.
You ain't gonna put that in the front seat with me, are you?
Let's find a spot for him.
Oh.
On that.
I don't know if you can see it very well.
There's what we're eating, guys.
There it is, boys. A hand for scale. Nice.
We could go home. I didn't have trouble with it.
We was out here all night trying to catch catfish. And we kept getting big gars. We was ready to go home. Boy, I pulled one in. Finally. Got that son gone. My work here's done. Bag crated up. Got himself.
Well, folks, it starts right here at the bait spot. It's a little flooded, but we're gonna try to get a few bluegill. Then we taking the then we taking the kayaks out for some monster catfish.
You know what?
It is.
Well, I mean, like in there.
Here. Woo! We'll do this.
Deep, man. Cold.
It'll probably be about where your pants are about to hit your knees.
Well, here, you go first. You need me to hold that? I guess I
Actually, it feels good, dude.
You think that feels good?
Yeah. Dude, it's hot outside.
Nah, dude, it's cold. Okay, now it feels good.
It's been muggy outside, man. Just watch out for big rocks, because I know there's one somewhere over here.
I hope you get made fun of, dude. What's the point of being from Tennessee if you ain't proud of it?
First piece of bait. Woo!
Is that gonna scare him off?
Oh, y'all done fell in the mud. I think the creek's dry enough to rinse you off today. All right, you little peckerhead.
Now this one of them reels we can pull instead of yank.
Yeah, you just hit it. Yeah, give it a good little yank. Give it a good yank. Yank it like a teenager would yank it. Dang on catfish!
Catfish? Oh my gosh. Hey.
We down here catching bait, guys. We got us a little channel cat. Nice. Might have to tape two of them together. Tape them together right there.
It's a lot better than it was.
Shoot, yeah. Some redneck stuff ain't there. Right here. Alright, let me see what I can
Outdoor idiot solves issue with the ring.
Oh yeah. Redneck style, we don't want to pull wheels. I think I got some electrical tape in this car, but I'm gonna have to probably get out to get it. I have a pocket knife, guys. Life's best tool. Helps if it's sharp.
Always cut toward your body.
Yeah, that's the thing. You want to cut
that.
as close to you as you can. I'm gonna try to get it without taping it. Alright, dude, here we go. Walnut through. Walnut up shit. Dun, dun, dun. Right down in there.
Perfect.
I guess that's good. Let's go get a burger. Hungry, dude. Whew. Well, it stormed on us earlier, so we didn't get the kayaks out. But we figured we'd just give it a little bank fishing. So we can't get something. A little rainbow action. I'm gonna try to fish in the honey holes. I don't fall and bust my butt here.
Don't bust your head.
Yeah, bust the butt's all right, huh? Just not your noggin. My butt.
Noggin's the most important thing on you.
Hey man, I'm an Instagram model now. My butt's my moneymaker.
Yeah, if you hit it, might swell up.
It ain't big enough. We in the spot now, folks. Heck yeah.
Might need the
Gotta get a net job over here. Keys are hanging out in the pocket too. What do you think it is? It's digging this time.
yeah, it's a catfish.
Hell yeah, dude.
Do I need to drag like loose like this?
Oh, nice blue, nice blue. Good job, Steven. Get him, yeah! Oh, baby! Yes! Getting them, dude. Steven teaching me some lessons today, guys. He just caught like a 6-pound bass, probably a 7-pound blue, maybe. Oh my gosh. Heck yeah. Getting it done, guys. Getting it done out here.
Dark, boy.
We got rained out from the kayaks and now it's about dark, but it's died down, so we thought, well, let's just fish by this bridge. Oh man, awesome.